Before you buy your first chicks, there are 5 things you must understand. Because most beginners don't fail due to bad luck. They fail because they skip the foundation. If you get these 5 steps right, you immediately increase your chances of success. Let's start from the beginning. Step 1. Decide your purpose. The first thing you must decide is this. Are you raising broilers for meat, or are you raising layers for egg production? Broilers grow fast. They are ready for market in 6 to 8 weeks, gaining up to 2.5 to 3.5 kilograms. Layers take longer, but they produce eggs for more than a year. Your choice determines everything, including housing design, feeding program, vaccination schedule, and marketing strategy. Do not buy chicks until this decision is clear. Step 2. Prepare proper housing. Many beginners make this mistake. They buy chicks first, then start preparing the pen. That is backwards. Your poultry house must be ready before the chicks arrive. Good housing should be able to protect birds from rain, allow proper ventilation, prevent overcrowding, because poor ventilation leads to ammonia buildup. Ammonia causes respiratory problems. Respiratory problems reduce growth, and reduced growth means reduced profit. So you need to prepare the environment first, then bring the birds. Step 3. Master brooding. The first 7 days are critical. Temperature must be properly controlled. If chicks are too cold, they gather tightly together. If they are too hot, they move far away from the heat source. Both conditions reduce feed intake. And when feed intake drops early, final body weight suffers. Monitor chick behavior daily. Do not rely only on thermometers. Thermometers tell you the temperature of the area, but the behavior of the chicks tell you if they are fine or not. Healthy chicks are active, evenly spread, and also eats well. Step 4. Understand feeding program. Feed accounts for up to 70% of total production cost, so feeding must be strategic. For broilers, starter feed from day 0 to 3 weeks. Finisher feed from week 4 until market. Fresh water must always be available. Do not overfill feeders. Do not allow feed to become moldy. Small feed mistakes become large financial losses. Step 5. Vaccination and biosecurity disease can wipe out your farm quickly. This is why
Hold still now.
vaccination is not optional.
There you go.
Common essential
Next one.
vaccines include Newcastle disease, Gumbro disease, foulpox. But vaccination alone is not enough. Limit visitors, disinfect footwear, keep equipment clean. Prevention is always cheaper than treatment. Step 6. Keep records. Many beginners ignore this step. Record must be kept on. Feed consumption, mortality rate, vaccination dates, growth performance. If you don't measure your results, you cannot improve them. Successful farmers track numbers. Recap. Before starting poultry farming, choose your purpose. Prepare proper housing, master brooding, feed correctly, vaccinate properly, keep records. If you focus on these foundations, you avoid the mistakes that destroy beginners. In the next video, I will explain the 3 biggest profit-killing mistakes in broiler farming and how to avoid them. This is Farm and Feed Academy. Animal production made easy.